So yesterday we have discussed a continuous beam of 3 span, and finally we have calculated all the forces, and after calculation of the forces, plot of bending moment was done. Plotation of shear force you can do by your own. Plotation of shear force, it will not be a problem. shear force का मैं बता देता हूँ, मैं उसको बताता हूँ. What are the values of the support reactions? This one 5 kilonewtons, this now 8.08 kilonewtons, 16.18 kilonewtons, 5.75 kilonewtons. shear force diagram, SFD, and this value is MA. How much? 4.16, 19. This one 4.16, 8.76. That was the result. Loading, this one loading was 2 kilonewton per meter, 3 kilonewtons. So this was 2 kilonewton per meter. So this was the results we have calculated in our previous classes. 10 का load भी था. Okay, no problem. Very good. This load was also acting at a distance of 3 meters. At a distance of 3 meter. This one or this one? सही है? Okay. 3 meter, 2 meter and 5 meters. 5 meters. It was also 5 meter. So after making the calculation for support reaction, plotation of shear force is very simple. In last semester, a sign convention was suggested to you for the shear force diagram, and the sign convention was this. This is the positive sign convention. This is the positive sign convention. If any section upward force of this segment of structure are supposed to be positive, and for this segment of the structure downward force are supposed to be positive. That was the sign convention used to plot the shear force diagram. याद आया और बताया था ये किस तरीके का स्प्लिटिंग नेचर है. दिस इज द स्प्लिटिंग नेचर, दिस वन इज द स्प्लिटिंग नेचर, and in this splitting nature, this one part, left part, is supposed to move in upward direction. Left one part is supposed to move in upward direction, and that one means right side of the part is supposed to go in downward direction. That was the sign convention adopted as positive. Right? In the bending moment, हमने क्या लिया था? What was adopted? Sagging case, है ना? Sagging case was adopted as positive type of thing. In this case, this one part is adopted as upward motion, and right part is downward. So using that sign convention we can plot the shear force diagram very simply. So for this case here, first of all we have to make shear force equation. So shear force equation Fx, what will be the equation? कोई भी section, you can choose any section x at any section x from point A at a distance of x. What will be the value of the vertical forces at this section? क्या होगा? केवल इतना पार्ट लें, ये इजी होगा. इधर से भी ले सकते हैं. We can take this one part, entire part. We can also, we have two options at this section. We have two options. Either you take this part of beam or you take this entire part of beam. But we will not consider this part of beam because it involves so many forces. Because it involves so many forces. So it is easier to consider this part of beam. And in this part of beam, how many forces are there? First one is vertical reaction 5 kilonewton. Moment will not be considered while calculating the Fy. Vertical force में कोई consideration उसका moment का होता नहीं. Therefore we will not take this moment as a vertical component. Another will be which one? This UDL, vertical load due to UDL. What will be that value? 2 into x, 2x. Clear? This 5 kilonewton of load will be taken as plus or negative? Plus. Why plus? Because ये वाली situation है. This situation is there. And for this situation, upward force will be taken as positive. That's why plus this one reaction 5 kilonewton reaction will be taken as plus 5. So we will write as Fx equal to plus 5. Another downward, it will act in downward. Therefore we will write it as minus 2 times of x. That is the equation. That will be the equation for the shear force. And if you want to plot it, no problem, you can plot it. Very easily you can plot it. At point A, value of x is 0. Put the value of x as 0 plus 5. So we will, this one plus 5, we will write it as plus 5 kilonewton. And at point this B, this point B, 5, put the value of 5, minus 5. It means it is in downward direction. This is minus 5 kilonewton. And in between this segment, triangular type of loading is there. It means the variation is linear. If there is no any load, then it is constant. If UDL, then it is linear. So this is the plot of shear force diagram for segment AB. For segment AB. Very simple. Is simple or difficult? Very simple. Similarly, for easiness, write the equation of shear force for this segment for easiness. Write the shear force equation for this segment using same principle, using same approach. So to write the shear force equation for this segment Fy, write it as not Fx, Fy. Y is for vertical force. Write it as Fy, not Fx. Shear force के लिए vertical force Fy, right? So to write shear force equation, first of all we should select a section. And the section has been selected. Section can be selected at a x distance from this point. Suppose this point is D. So what will be the value of shear force at this section क्या होगा, या तो हम हमारे पास ऑप्शन है ये वाला पार्ट कंसीडर करें, we have two option, either consider this part of beam or another option is, what is the option, consider this entire part of the beam, and which one is easier, this one है ना. So we will follow this segment. And what is the value? It's very simple. If we are considering this part of beam, then come to the sign convention. This one come to sign convention. यही है ना. So which type of force will be taken as positive? Downward type of force will be taken as positive for this case. There should not be any confusion that downward force are positive or negative, because with the change of the section they will be treated as positive or negative. Upward force can be positive, can be negative. It depends upon left and right of the section. It will depend upon the left or right of the section. अगर ये सिचुएशन है तो डाउनवर्ड फोर्स क्या हो गया, निगेटिव हो गया. लेकिन इससे पहले इस वाली सिचुएशन में क्या ले रहे थे, डाउनवर्ड को निगेटिव लेते. इस समय डाउनवर्ड पॉजिटिव हो रहा है. क्लियर ना. दैट हैज बीन एक्सप्लेन्ड इन आवर इन लास्ट सेमेस्टर. सो 5.75 this will be treated as negative value, means we will write Fy as minus 5.75 and downward force plus 3x. Clear? There are no other forces. It means this is the complete equation for the shear force, and this equation can be plotted. This equation can be plotted by putting suitable values of x. By putting suitable values of x. So if we want to know the value at point D, what value of x we should put? 0, and after putting the value of 0, what we will get? Minus 5.75, and it will 5.75 kilonewtons downward direction. Clear? Similarly, at point this one C, 9.25. How? By putting the value of x is equal to 5 in this equation, right? So by putting the value of x is equal to 5 in this equation, we are getting how much value? 9.25. And what will be the shape in between this? क्या होगा? Linear. So no problem, we will join this point in this manner. So this is the shear force diagram for segment CD. This will be the shear force diagram for segment CD. After this segment BC. segment BC का करना है हमें, उसका भी कर लेंगे, no problem. We have to plot the shear force for segment BC. We have two options. Either we can write the equation for this part and for this part separately, and by putting the suitable value of x we can plot it. But we can also, and another approach is also to use sense अगर यूज करें तो there is no need to write the equation. किसका बेटा? हाँ, तो यहाँ पे दो ऑप्शन है, आप चाहे तो इक्वेशन लिख के करें या डायरेक्ट कर सकते हैं, डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं आप इसमें. नो नीड टू राइट एनी इक्वेशन. कैसे? आपको मालूम है यहाँ पे क्या है, व्हाट इज दिस? नो लोड. यहाँ पर भी कोई लोड नहीं. इट मीन्स द वैल्यू ऑफ शियर फोर्स एट दिस पॉइंट, सी पॉइंट के जस्ट आफ्टर दिस पॉइंट C, value of shear force will be constant, this at this place will be constant, this place, shear force value in between C and point of action of load 10 kilonewton will be constant, right, because it is the algebraic sum of only vertical forces. Similarly, after this 10 kilonewton load, this one point, this one point, this one point, this one point, and point B up to point B, shear force value will be constant. So this sense can also be used. This sense can also be used. कैसे यूज किया जा सकता है आप देखो. This value 9.25 is the value of the shear force. Shear force, this 9.25 value of the shear force without considering this reaction. ये इक्वेशन लिखा हुआ है, दिस वन इक्वेशन. इस इक्वेशन में ये सपोर्ट रिएक्शन इनकॉर्पोरेटेड है क्या? नहीं है. So value of this value is only due to this support reaction and this support reaction. Clear? But at this point, at the same point, this reaction 16.18 kilonewton also acts. So therefore there will be sudden transition. Therefore there will be sudden transition because this is a point load. Point load immediate transition. और जितना मैग्नीट्यूड होगा उतना ही ट्रांजिशन होगा. क्लियर? तो आप देख लो, अब इस पॉइंट पे अगर आपको शियर फोर्स वैल्यू निकालनी है तो कितनी वैल्यू निकलेगी? 9.25 इधर का तो है ही है ना, और ये अपवर्ड वाला क्या हमें लेना है? माइनस का लेना है. तो क्या करें हम? 9.25 माइनस वैल्यू विल बी व्हाट? 9.25 माइनस जिसको हम हटा दें 16.18. कितना हो गया ये? 6.93 माइनस. क्लियर? क्लियर? चाहे हम इस जगह पे निकालें या इस जगह, सबकी वैल्यू क्या होगी? सेम होगी. सो एट दिस पॉइंट 6.93 will be the negative value. And this value will be constant throughout here. This value will be constant. At point C, there is transition from 9.25 to minus 6.13. Why? It is due to the support reaction VC of magnitude 16.18. कितना वेरिएशन है? ये वेरिएशन कितना होगा? That variation will be equal to the VC. If this value is VC, then this entire value, ये पूरा का पूरा, it will be VC. It will be the VC. Entire. यहां से लेके यहां तक कितना होगा? 16.18. Clear? And since in this segment in between point C and point load there is no any vertical force, therefore value of shear force will be constant and it will be represented by a straight line. It will be represented by a straight line. Similarly, we can proceed here also. At this point, all of sudden load of how much magnitude? 10 kilonewton. Load is acting, all of sudden load, and it is acting downward direction. What it's mean? Downward direction में आ रहा है तो क्या हो जाएगा? डाउनवर्ड फोर्स हमारे क्या है? ये पॉजिटिव है. डाउनवर्ड फोर्स इज पॉजिटिव. तो अभी कितना है? माइनस है. तो क्या होगा? इसमें प्लस किया जाए, कितना हो जाएगा? इस पॉइंट पे अगर हम निकालें, if you want to calculate the shear force at this point, then what will be its value? Its value will be minus 6.93 plus 10, and this value is how much? 3.07. This will be the value of shear force in between this section. And at this point and under the load, there will be transition from 6.93 to 3.07, minus 6.93 to plus 3.07, and it will be represented by this vertical jump. This will be represented by this vertical jump, and this value is 3.07, and this entire value, this value, it will be it will be 10. It will be 10. Clear? Or in between this part there is no any load, so क्या होगा ये? It will be straight line. 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 और यहाँ पे देखें फिर आला फेडन आ गया 8.808 का, तो यहीं पे है ये बात समझ में आ गई ना? अपने आप ये वाला पॉइंट कहाँ पे आ जाएगा? यहाँ पे. दिस इज 8.08. क्लियर? So this is the procedure to plot the shear force diagram. This is the procedure to plot the shear force diagram. Very simple. Very simple. This is positive. This is negative. This is positive. This is negative. This is positive. This is negative. Make proper hatching. Make proper hatching. Make proper hatching. Make proper hatching. Yes. कहाँ पे बेटा? ये वाला कैसा फोर्स है ये वाला सेक्शन लो ना. कंसिडर दिस सेक्शन. कैसा 10 किलोमीटर कैसा है? डाउनवर्ड है क्या? डाउनवर्ड कैसा लेंगे हम? प्लस या माइनस? पॉजिटिव लेंगे, तो इसलिए यहाँ पे प्लस किया है. और ये वाली वैल्यू क्या है? 6.93 क्या है इन सारे का? इसकी वैल्यू कितनी है? 6.93. तो बार बार उसको लिखने की क्या जरूरत है? 6.93 इनका लिख लिया अलजेब्रिक, और इसका. इज इट क्लियर? क्लियर बेटा? So this the complete analysis of the beam. This is the complete analysis of the beam, and I am giving you a question as in the form of assignment, and I will change the data. Change the data means for segment AB, what is the moment of inertia? कितना मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया लिया था बताओ मुझे? कितना लिया गया था? इट वाज आई. अब आप इसको 2i लोगे. क्लियर? बीच वाले का क्या लिया गया था? इसको आप i ले लो, और इसको सब कुछ बदल जाएगा. Each and everything will change. सारा लोडिंग वैसा ही, सब कुछ वैसा ही. What I want to expect, you write each and every step by your own. That is my objective behind giving this question as a assignment. This is my objective. But you should not copy. You should not copy. You should not submit the assignment copy after copying it. Do this question by your own. Then my benefit will be, then my purpose will be served. Okay. And I am giving you the answer also. I am giving you the answer also. And its answer will be, if you will take AB as 2I, for segment BC as I, ये AB and this one, AB and कौन सा CD, if it is taken as 2I and segment BC, if it is taken as I, then the value of MA, value of MB, value of MC and value of MD, I am giving this value as 4.098. This value will comes to be 4.098 kilonewton meter, 4.304. This value will be 4.304 kilonewton meters, and the remaining two are 8.090 kilonewton meter, and the value of MD is what? ये तो था ही नहीं, it was 0, and the value of support reaction VA, value of VB, value of VC, value of VD. That value will be 4.959. This one value will be 4.959, and value of VB will be 8.284, VC 15.875, and the remaining value of VD, it is 5.882 kilonewtons. This will be the answers. This will be the answers. And you have to submit it within 2 days. Okay? You have to submit it within 2 days in separate copy. लूज पेजेस में मत दीजिएगा, एक कॉपी बना लो, उसमें मैं आपके बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस कराऊंगा, उसी में करिएगा. क्लियर? नाउ आफ्टर दिस